Okay, now let's look at some rules for writing emails. You might have already thought about some of these, but let's have a look and we'll go through the 5 on this page and 5 on the next page, the next slide. So the first one, be concise and to the point. Avoid long emails. No one wants to read a long email where the relevant information might be lost. Only put in concise, relevant information in the email that you are sending. Next, try to reply to customer emails within 24 hours. Nowadays, people expect responses definitely no more than 24 hours, often even within a couple of hours. Number 3, do not write in capitals. It does come across as rude or as if you are shouting, so avoid using capitals at all times. Leave the message thread in your email. This is a very important one. Don't start a new email as all the conversation and information in the previous email can be difficult to find. Number 5, add a disclaimer to your email to protect you and your company from liability. Many people have an automatic signature that they use at the end of their email. So your name, your company name, and often the small print, it says, for example, that the information in the email is confidential. Have a look at any formal or business emails you have received and read the small print on their disclaimers to get an idea of what we are talking about. Now go on to the next slide and you will see the second lot of rules.